Have you ever wondered how fresh, clean lettuce is grown in high-tech greenhouses? How does a crisp, vibrant green lettuce make its way to consumers? Today, we're diving into the entire process of growing lettuce in a modern greenhouse, where every step is meticulously controlled to produce the freshest, safest greens. Stay tuned, because you're about to witness everything from seed planting and care to harvesting and packaging, executed with scientific precision and attention to detail. Before sowing the seeds, workers thoroughly clean the planting trays and foam sponges. This crucial step helps eliminate bacteria, prevent fungal infections, and ensure that the seedlings grow strong and healthy from the very beginning. Wearing protective gear, workers use clean water and disinfectant solution to wash each tray carefully, maintaining a sterile and safe growing environment. The worker carefully opens the seed packet and pours the seeds into a special tray. Then, they gently shake the tray, allowing the seeds to naturally fall into the holes, ensuring that each hole contains exactly one seed. If any seeds fall incorrectly or do not land in the holes, the worker will manually adjust them to ensure proper placement. Once all the holes are filled with seeds, the tray is placed into the germination system, where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to stimulate seed sprouting. Once the young plants have grown strong enough, workers begin separating them from the foam plugs to transfer them to new growing trays. This step requires great care and precision, as improper handling can cause the seedlings to break or become damaged. Before separating the seedlings, the trays are placed into a container filled with clean water. This helps soften the foam, making it easier to detach the plants without harming their roots. Workers gently press each seedling down into the water to ensure the roots remain intact. After soaking, they carefully separate each seedling, making sure the roots are preserved. If any seedlings are stuck together, they are manually separated again to avoid root damage. Once separated, the seedlings are placed into the foam slots of new growing trays, arranged neatly to provide enough space for healthy development. Once the seedlings have been individually separated, they are carefully transferred to the main growing system. Workers gently place each seedling into designated slots on the growing trays, ensuring that the roots are positioned correctly within the nutrient environment. At this stage, the spacing between the plants is adjusted to be wider than before, allowing ample room for healthy growth. Once the seedlings are placed in the main growing system, this is a crucial stage where plants grow and mature before harvesting. The plants are nourished with a hydroponic nutrient solution, providing them with essential minerals for optimal growth. An automated irrigation system delivers water and nutrients in cycles, ensuring even and healthy development. Inside the greenhouse, advanced LED lighting continues to operate, providing the necessary light for efficient photosynthesis, even without natural sunlight. Workers monitor the plants daily, checking their leaves, stems, and roots to detect any abnormalities early. If any plants show signs of disease or weak growth, they are carefully removed to prevent affecting the rest of the crop. Thanks to meticulous care and an optimized growing environment, the plants flourish, growing vibrant and healthy in preparation for harvesting.